Hello friends. So here we go with the isometric projection, a typical problem. Okay, so number 4, where they are shown one sketch here. Okay, with the top view, where we are going to have a frustum of a pentagon. The base is 50, the bottom is a 20, the height is a 60 mm. Okay, so above this one there is a cylinder. So diameter is a 40 and height is a 100 mm. Okay, so those are the things what we can get it from here. Okay, the length of the cylinder is 100, the diameter is a 40, and the bottom face pentagon is a 50 and the top is a 20, and in the problem they have mentioned the height is a 60 mm. Okay, so for this one to start that one, so just take any reference horizontal line. Okay, just take any one corner from here. Okay, so now just to take see, once we take a reference, this is what exactly we need. Okay, so we need two pentagons. Okay, in a 2D sketch, and you need to measure each corners with these distances. Okay, so you can clearly see here. Okay, so 50 mm edge, so we have taken from this corner, so till here 48, 30, 40, 40, next again 30, 48, 15, 50 and 15. Okay, so we have located the center. From the center to the edge is a 34, from the center to the corner it's a 44, and from the center to this corner, okay, measured horizontal, it is a 13. Okay, similarly we have marked here also. Okay, so now we have taken a reference point here. Okay, so we'll move first here 48, 1 2 3 4 48. So next is a 30, so 1 2 and a 3. Okay, so next we need to take a 40, so 1 2 3 4 here, next 40, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so this is what we moved from 48, 30 on 30 degree line, then 40 40 on 150 degree line, next on minus 150 degree line, again 30 and 48, or else as I said, you can move on this line till here and you can place the point here. Okay, and on this line till here. Okay, this is a shortcut, so where we'll get on the same points. Okay, so next here we have 15 50 15. Okay, so from here it's a 15, 1 2 3 4 5, then 15 back to the point. Okay, so once it is done on this line, so we have edge, so on this line we have a corner, so again on this line we have a corner, on this one again we have a corner, so again we have a corner. You need not to drop the rectangle, so just drop directly the pentagon. Okay, just again, so we have taken a reference point from there 48 30, then 40 40, then 30 48, then 15 50 and 15. So now we can mark the center, or directly you can just drop the projector and you can directly measure this. It is coming 46 23 will be the center, so you can just mark here to here. So this is the center, so 1 2 3 34, so here also it will come 34 and 44. Okay, so this is how exactly we can take it. So now from here the height they have given, it's a 60. Okay, so we need to move 60, 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this is the center point. Just mark the center line like this. Okay, so now we need to look into the top pentagon. Okay, so this is how exactly. So this is the center. From the center, here it's a 14 and here it's a 18. Okay, so now like this, on this line you have to move 14. So 5 and 14 here, and 15, so 20, 18 here. Okay, so this one, so 14 this side, 18 this side. So this is a corner. So now this is the edge. So this edge is a 20. We need to move 10 and a 10. So from here we need to move 10 here and a 10 here. Okay, so we got a 3 corner, 1, 2 and a 3. So now we need to take this distance, that is a 5. Okay, so from here 5, and from here we need to move 16 and 16. Okay, so from here, so 16 and 16. Now we got a 5 corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is a very important one. So from the center you need to move towards the corner on the same line. Okay, that's a 5. From there you need to move off here and off here. So we measured 16 and 16. Now just join. So this is the edge. So here we have a corner, and corner and corner. Okay, now just join to the corners. So one here, one here, one here, one here, and here we have a 1. Okay, so this is how exactly the first form of a pentagon pyramid looks like. So now we have a cylinder. Okay, so now you need to look into this sketch. You can see the cylinder is parallel to the edge. Okay, so means, so this is the edge. We need to place the cylinder, so something like this, like this. Okay, it should be placed parallel to this edge. Okay, so now from here, okay, from the center, so the diameter is a 40. So we need to move 40 up. So 1, 2, this is the center. So again 1, 2 here. Okay, so like this we need to move. So 50, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, because the length of the cylinder is a 100 mm. Okay, so next we are at the midpoint. So move 20 this side, 1, 2. So 1 and a 2. Okay, so again from here 1 and a 2, from here 1 and a 2. Okay, so something like if you have like this, so we are at the top here. Okay, we are at the top. So now from here we need to move 40 down, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can just see we got a square here. Like this. Okay, similarly, so this is the top. From here we need to move 40 down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3 and a 4. Like this. Okay, so clearly you can see like so we got a 2 squares. Okay, so now we need to have a circles here. Okay, so longest diagonal. Okay, so from the corner nearby to the midpoint, 1 and a 2 here. Midpoint again 1 and 2 here. Midpoint. Okay, so now drop the curve. Okay, so from here curve, So then from here, okay, so then from here, this is thin, anyhow not visible, so you can just make it a thin. Okay, so similarly here also, so longest diagonal. Okay, so from the corner here to the midpoint, okay, again to the midpoint. Okay, so now again, okay, so this is how exactly you can reproduce the cylinder here. Okay, so here we have a very small curves, so careful with the compass, it should be proper. Okay, so like this at the bottom line, so this is like a tangent one, and at the top, like this. Okay, so now, so just to have a look, this much is visible. Okay, so now here, so only this much is visible. Okay, so this part is thin, so these two lines are visible. Now when it comes to the pentagon, so this edge is visible till here, so this edge is visible till here, so this slant edge is visible till the intersection of the